Today is Namdaemun Market. Let's start from exit 5 of Hoyeon Station and follow this route toward Shinsegae department store. It's crowded even on weekdays. It is a market that has been going on for more than 600 years next to Seongnaemun Gate. Seongnaemun is nicknamed Namdaemun. It means a large gate in the south. This is why it is called Namdaemun Market. This is a dumpling restaurant that's been on TV a lot. As expected, there are a lot of people. If you go to the left, you'll find an accessory shop. If you go to the left, you'll find Namdaemun Import Market. On the right, you'll find Namdaemun Market in the center. I think the construction that is being done in front of me is to make Namdaemun Arcade, or eaves. This is the view of Namdaemun Eaves, where construction has been completed. It is said to be completed in 2025. On the right is the Military Uniform Alley. From here, you can go to Namdaemun Import Market. This is the Hairtail Alley, famous for its taste. I can't see the letters well because it's covered by the structure. There are also a lot of foreign tourists. Namdaemun direction. On the right is the direction of the department store. The person wearing red clothes is a tour guide who also guides foreign languages.
The Bindaeteok, Korean mung bean pancake shop in Gwangjang Market, is also here.
Seeing that there are people in line, it is near a famous restaurant. Namdaemun vegetable hotteok restaurant. It's what I expected. Let's walk toward Myeongdong and go back into the market. There are many restaurants in this alley. Let's go to Shinsegae department store. I can see tour guides here, too. Let's walk past the guide. I see a lot of clothes on this road. I can see a bowl wholesale store. I can also see flower wholesalers. On the right is Hoyeon Station exit Auburn, which was the starting point. The left is towards Myeongdong Station. Children's Clothing Street on the left. Children's clothes stand out from the entrance of the street. Maybe because it's a children's clothing street, there seem to be a lot of children. This is the street where we sold a lot of clothes earlier. Samik Fashion Town, a shopping mall that sells a lot of clothes. The building is tall. This road is wide, so there are many vendors. Now you can see the end of the day if you go toward Shinsegae department store. You can see Shinsegae department store at the end. This is the direction of Namdaemun. Back to Shinsegae department store. This is the end of Namdaemun Market.